Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a special unboxing of my new watch. This is a very special unboxing because this color is launched recently, like this week only, couple of days ago. I think 2 days back, and I had the opportunity to place the order. There was the stock was less, so they were releasing this in batches, like in a day. It for a few minutes it used to come in stock, then again it was going out of stock, then something like this. Okay, so I was able to grab these two colors, so we'll be unboxing the same. Okay, so this is a Kohinoor watch. Okay, so these two colors got launched very recently, so I'll be unboxing the same. So this is the packaging, and by the way, if you're wondering which watch I'm wearing today, I'm wearing this one, which is the HMT Pilot. This is a very vintage watch, almost like 35 to 40 years old. Okay, all right. So I'll be unboxing it. By the way, previously I had a very bad experience with Sri Maruti, but recently they have improved their service a lot. Like, this watch got shipped yesterday and it got delivered today. Shipped from Bangalore and got delivered in Kolkata in just one day, in less than 24 hours. That's just incredible. Anyways, we'll just keep the packaging aside. So these are the two watches I'll be showing you the unboxing. Okay, and let me just cut the seal, and I'll also be introducing something at the very end. This is a very special video. I'll tell you why. Okay, you will see why. Okay, so one unboxing is here. So this is the packaging. I'll be unboxing. I will show you. Next, I will be removing this cover from the sides here. Okay, be cutting the seal right here. Okay, we'll be opening this. Okay, so these are the two boxes. Okay, all right, let's do the unboxing. First, this one. Okay, there is another seal. Removing it. This is the warranty card and some instructions, user manual, warranty card, HMT seal. Okay, ABD Bangalore. All right, we'll show you the watch. Let me just remove this cover now. Oh, there goes my invoice. Okay, so now let me show you both the watches one by one. So guys, this is the Kohinoor Quartz green Sunray version. As you can see, this has got a awesome sunburst effect. Let's remove the plastic from here. And this is how it looks. It looks really good. The color almost looks like emerald. Okay, now let's look at the second one. We'll keep it right here. Let's see the second one. Okay, this is the Sunburst Maroon color Kohinoor Quartz edition. This is the maroon color, and this is the green color. There are two difference in terms of looks if you compare it with the original hand winding mechanical watch of this color. That is, on the mechanical watch there is no date, and this day date feature is not there, but on this Quartz variant the day date window is there, as you can see. Some purist might find it to be quite annoying because like, see, I'm not a purist, to be honest, because collecting HMT watches, like, I am collecting HMT watches just for few months. Okay, but purist might find this to be annoying because this because the original mechanical version of this watch has got a clean look to it, but this date window is not giving that clean look. But I find it to be a good feature. Okay, I really like it. I find it to be a good feature as it shows the date and the day and the date. Now if I bring my HMT Pilot just beside it, so this is the HMT Pilot, and as you can see the difference in size. Okay, this is the original mechanical version of the watch. Okay, all right, and now let's talk about the bracelet. So this is the stock bracelet that comes. It's I won't say it's that good, but it's quite decent, not bad either. Okay, and this has also got a HMT logo over here. This is looks like a laser print logo, not embossed. So that's that. And over here we have the Quartz logo. However, if we look at the um, mechanical version of Pilot over here, this has got this Parashock 17 jewels written. The same, like, if I don't have the Kohinoor version of this color watch, but on this color watch of the Kohinoor mechanical watch over here, it says Parashock 17 jewels, but on the Quartz version it says Quartz. And this also has got looms. This green dots are the looms, and if you look very closely, this over here, I don't know if you can see it on the screen. Let me just try to zoom it. It says HMT 2105. So HMT 2105 is the uh, movement. This Quartz watch has got a Miyota movement. Okay, so HMT uses Miyota movement on their Quartz. I won't be able to remove the cover and will be able to show you, but this uses a Miyota movement. Okay, and here is the two watches side by side. Just let me know which color you like the most. I think I like the maroon color little more than the green one. This, as you can see, the sunburst effect, color looks really good. Okay, I talked about the Miyota movement which is there on this Quartz watch, but someone who is not so familiar with the watch movements might not understand what is a Miyota movement. So a Miyota movement is a movement which is a Japanese movement. It's a sister, I would say, the sister company of Citizen. Okay, so it's almost like a sister company of Citizen. So they also make this movement, that is the Miyota. And guys, this watches doesn't use glass crystal, this uses acrylic crystal. So let me show you. So this part is, this is made up of acrylic. So this is the acrylic crystal, not glass, so it can scratch very easily, so you need to be really careful. But if you go with the automatic version of this Kohinoor watch, that automatic version has mineral glass crystal, and it sits right over here. There is this indentation, this increased indentation. This part is not there, it sits right over here at the base. So that looks good. I am not so fan of, I don't like this type of acrylic crystal because this gets scratched really easily, very easily. But yes, if you go in the market, this can be replaced just 20 to 30 rupees. So that's that. Okay guys, now I'll show you something really special. Okay, so first, this is my green Kohinoor. I'll just keep it here. This is my maroon Kohinoor. So these two I showed you. These are the two. Now I'll show you something really special. This is my matte blue Kohinoor Quartz. Okay, this is the matte blue color one. Now something really vintage. This is the golden color Kohinoor mechanical hand winding watch. This watch is almost close to 40 years old. Okay, even more, and still working fine. Just look, still working fine, perfectly working in working condition. Not just one, but two. This is the black color one. This is the Kohinoor black color mechanical hand winding watch, perfectly working. So these are my Kohinoor watch collection. So this is the two. Now I'll show you. So these two are my mechanical hand winding Kohinoor. This is the Quartz matte blue. Then this is the green one. Okay, and I'll show it to you. So this is the green one, and this is the maroon one. Just look at it, guys. Isn't it looks gorgeous? So that's why I told you at the beginning that this is a very special video where I'll showcase all my Kohinoor watches. Okay, let me just zoom it a little bit. So here is the full view. These three, these colorful ones, blue, maroon and the green one, is the Quartz variant. As you can see, there is Quartz logo. And these two are the Parashock mechanical hand winding watches. These two are very old, 35 to 40 years old, still winding and working absolutely beautiful, no issues. Still can hold around 40 hours of 36 to 40 hours of power. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. As you can see, this is my whole stock of Kohinoor till now. 2 are mechanical and 3 are Quartz. That's it for this video, guys. I'll be posting the link of this too and this one as well on the description below. If you like, you can purchase it. And by the way, the price of this two and this one is 2275, I think 2270 or 2250, something like that. Okay, and there is additional of 80 rupees of delivery charges. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, do hit the like button. Thank you for watching. This is Lazy Boy Onindo signing out.